This is the brand new, state-of-the-art G525 all-drink vending machine. It's cashless, works by credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, etc. It is 24 inches wide, 30 inches deep, and about 6 feet tall. It could fit almost anywhere. Great for barbershops, beauty salons, nail salons, etc. It works by simply walking up to the machine, making a selection, and retrieving your item. The door remains locked until payment is made. So for instance, to make a purchase, you make your selection for that Coke, number 122. So you would simply just make your selection, use your credit card.
Please select the product. Authorizing.
The clear spinner spins around, exposing your drink. At the same time, the door is released and unlocked. So you can open it. The tray indicator light flashes for 15 seconds, allowing you to take your drink. Then the spinner will spin back around and load the next drink from behind. When you let go of the door relocks. Ready for the next drink. You can see more on our website.